good morning and welcome back to my channel. So this is me and my quarantine morning routine. I usually wake up at 10 every day, and the first thing I do is I grab for my phone and I check all my social media. This is really helpful because it prevents me from checking social media while I'm doing homework and other things I need to get done because it's already been done for the day. The last thing I do is I go on my Holy Bible app and I see the scripture of the day and I watch the little video on how it applies to your life and the meaning of the scripture, and then there's a prayer at the end, and that's just a great way to start my day on the right foot. Another thing that really helps me start my day out right is making my bed. This just makes me feel so much more productive and put together and motivated in the morning. It's also very important for me because I do work in my room and do my homework in there because all of my family's home because of the quarantine. They're all working from home, so I'm in my room. And if my bed's not made, it's just really hard to be focused and in tune with my homework. So this is really helpful. I also just redid my room, so that was kind of fun. And it's just helped me also want to make my room look really nice in the mornings. I ordered some prints for my wall, which you'll see they'll pop up on the screen, and so hopefully those come soon, but I just haven't been able to print them yet because of, all the printing labs being down because of quarantine, but I think those will look really nice there. Let me know if you guys want to see a room tour or something like that. But then after that, I usually go in my bathroom and I get ready. Getting ready for me in the morning is so important if I want to have a productive day. It helps me feel less like a couch potato and just really gets me moving. This is a really big must do for my mornings. Even if you just brush your teeth and do the basics, like that is enough in itself. If you do a little skincare, that's good too. If you do a little makeup, or girl, if you need to beat your entire face, do it. If that's what it takes for you to feel ready for the day, no shame. Do what you gotta do. But I'm somewhere in the middle. I just do a little bit of lighter makeup. So basically I've just brushed my teeth and put my contacts in, and then I wash my face. Make sure you always pat your face dry, don't drag it, because that'll help you not create wrinkles in your face later in life. Okay, don't laugh at me. I use the NIVEA Men's Post-Shave Balm Moisturizer as my lotion for my face every day. I know it's kind of crazy, but I have the dry skin, and this just really helps me. Oh, there's a hair. But yeah, it's really nice moisturizer, even though it's for men and it's a post-shave balm. But this is my eye cream. If you look it up, it's literally over $100. I did not purchase this myself. I got it in a BoxyCharm. I probably will never repurchase again because I can't justify the price, but it is so nice. Makes me feel a little bougie in the morning. Girl, put your deodorant on. You gotta smell good, right? And I always take vitamins every day. I take a vitamin D supplement because I'm a little deficient in vitamin D, but I didn't show it. I also take a vitamin every morning, like a multivitamin, and I also take vitamin C gummies. This is really important just to keep your immune system up, especially during this time. It's really helpful. And sunscreen is also really important. You can get sunburn and sun damage on any day. In the winter, when the clouds are overhead, any day. If it's overcast, you can still get a sunburn and skin damage. So I always put sunscreen on. I'm pretty bad at it. Sometimes I forget, but it's really important to do this. And I use the Juice Beauty sunscreen. It's the only thing that doesn't really irritate my face, and it also smells like Fruit Loops, so that's kind of a win-win. Kind of weird though. So this is just me priming my face for my makeup. Again, in my makeup routine, I'm very minimal. The goal is not to cover everything up, it's just to make you feel a little bit more put together, so you should still see your skin peeking through. And I just use concealer because I feel like it's lighter weight. If I'm going to do foundation, then I'm going to have to do powder, and it's just like, I might as well do my whole face. Doing my brows is super important for me to feel put together, so I always do that, and I'm not filling them in. I'm just putting powder where the spots are really sparse in my brows, just to make the littlest bit of a difference. And I usually don't put this much concealer on. My face was a little red this morning, so I put a little bit more on than usual. But again, alter this routine to whatever you need so that you feel best. Usually this makeup routine takes me 5 to 10 minutes max. It's taking a little longer on the video because I'm showing you guys what I'm doing and making sure you can see everything. But otherwise it's fairly quick. And I'm going to use a cream bronzer just to warm up my face and give me some structure. In this routine, I'm only going to use creams because it looks more skin-like in my opinion, and it's a little faster also. I do apply a little bit more concealer every time I do cream bronzer with this routine because it kind of helps it all blend together and not look like it's layered on top of my concealer. It just helps blend everything in and look a little bit more natural. And it also kind of helps if you added a little too much bronzer as well. I also set my face to help all the products blend together and make it look even more skin-like. Be careful if you do this though, because we didn't apply any powders on our face. If you apply too much setting spray, it can kind of streak or melt your makeup a little bit, so just apply just a little bit. Another good tip I have is to brighten up your workspace. You want it to feel bright and airy and not suffocating like you're stuck in this cave doing your homework. Another thing that's really important is getting dressed in the morning. What I do is I get dressed in clothes that I'm going to work out in for the day. So after I'm done with my homework, I feel more motivated to work out and not like lazy because I'm in comfy clothes and I don't want to change. So it kind of just helps me with that process. And I also feel like it's good to eat breakfast every morning. You know, I'm one of those people who gets hangry, so it's very important for me. And I just made some avocado toast this morning, and usually I'll get some water or some coffee, and this is actually a water bottle that I made. It's just a hydro flask that I painted pink, and then I added some stickers. I made the stars and the monogram on my mom's Cricut actually, and then I just painted over everything with some dishwasher safe Mod Podge just to waterproof it. Little things like lighting a candle may seem silly, but my day is noticeably more productive and more upbeat if I do these simple things to just get myself feeling good. The first thing I do before I start homework is plan out my day. I get down what my homework is and I write it all down in my planner. This is actually the cutest planner. It has scripture in there and prayer lists and different things like that. But basically I just write everything down. This is what that week looked like so far, but I'm going to show you what a week looks like when it's actually all filled out. And then I always journal every day. So I do the Rachel Hollis journaling thing. So basically I printed these little labels for the dates, and then I fill out the same 10 goals every day as if I had already done them. 5 things I'm grateful for and the goal I'm going to work towards and what I'm going to do to accomplish it. In the back I have where I'll be in 10 years and just some notes that I want to work towards professionally and personally. So that's just something fun to do to make you feel positive about your day. So this is just me doing my homework, and that's really all I do for my morning. Like I said, I work out after this, but that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my quarantine morning routine. It was super fun to film, and I hope you like some of my tips and tricks to make your life feel a little bit more put together during these uncertain and crazy times. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!